the next house that they're building, the column is already there. Here's the latest update of the tiny house here in our place. As you can see, the kitchen sink is already installed and it's now placed near the window, and there will be cabinets on the corner, and that's the door for outside where they do the laundry. And this area here will be the lounge. So that's the kitchen. And another thing that they have done is they have the staircase going up, so I could see upstairs now. But you see how they done the stairs? There's still space underneath for storage. See that? It's maximizing all the space, or utilizing all the space that they have. So I could show you upstairs now. And another thing I want to feature is the bathroom. It's already finished tiling. There you can see it. The windows there is installed. The window, small window, and the toilet bulb is installed. And the tiling is already done. And another thing is they have the door. It's a sliding door, so it will not block all the entrance because the toilet is near the entrance. That's the sliding mechanism, and that's the entrance door. So not to block the entrance door, the door of the toilet is sliding, as you can see there. So it's just need the lock now, and that's the front door, and that's the glass on the front door. Now I could go upstairs now and let you have a look. The stairs is really solid, it don't even shake. And this is the upstairs bedroom. So there will be railings in here, metal railings, and this is how it look up here. So this is the bedroom. So they got two small windows up here, and you can see all the lights been put in, bedroom lights. And this is what I thought that's gonna be an extended balcony because of this open glass doors on the wall. And they have another window on the side to give more light to the tiny house. And so they maximize the utilization of the space. Everything is really used up. And then there will be railings up here. And then you can get down on the stairs. So this is how it looks like now. So from the stairs, you got a little space there, and that's the kitchen sink with cabinets, and they will have a few cabinets here in the corner for the larder, and then the outside will be a little space for laundry. Only that space, because as you can see, the next house that they're building, the column is already there. So this is the remaining space of the house. for their laundry and washing area. So another thing that they have done, I will show you, is on the front. Ada. Ninduta bilang eh. Dito na ko. Nindut kay ga eh. They also have like a little balcony on the front. That's what the additional thing is. So it's really looking good now. It's almost done. It's just the finishing touches of this and the cabinet for the kitchen, and everything is done. So you can see this is the space, additional space of the little house. But they share this front with this other construction of his sister. Now I want to show you the construction of this other house, because this will be the one that we will be updating soon when the little house is finished. This is another construction happening here beside the tiny house, and I want to show you how the proper construction is done. This is a 2-story house. Pilay sukod ani dong? Hey. I'm asking how big is this house. And you can see how pilay sukod ani dudong. How close is the rebars for that second floor? 5.5. Ah, 8 meters. So this is 5.5 width and 8 meters long. But 2 floors. Duha ka floor, no? Up and down. So 2 floors. So you can see they're making the columns properly. That's how they made the proper construction, because there will be a second floor slab on this house. That was the house here beside the sister of the owner of the tiny house. So they are utilizing the land that they have here, 1,000 square meter. Oh, I mean, yeah, 1,000 square meter, including the rip of the slope of the river, because they're sloping towards the river. But you can see how they done the construction. They got the proper beams and the extended metal for the beams. So this one got 6 columns, and you can see that they also have beams underneath. They're making beams underneath. So it is properly done. So every distance of the column got beams, and you see how close is the metal that they done the beams. It's like this up the here, because you see some of the houses that been built by foreigners around here in the Philippines, they don't even hardly use the rebars. Flooring with no rebars, columns just made of hollow blocks. That's ridiculously built. I have been experienced in a few houses that I build, but I never build like ridiculously like that. So for me, this is stronger than that house that I see one foreigner built. The columns is made of hollow blocks. The flooring got no rebars. It won't take long. Just a few shake, that house will collapse or crack. But this house is very strong. Bilang nanguan man na siya. So it's 5.5 by 8 meters long. It's close to the little house. So that's the area of the little house. That's going to be the laundry area. See, beams everywhere.
Tulo ni Kabalay.
Ah, so Tulo. So I was just informed that there will be another house there on the slope towards the river after this. So the three siblings is utilizing, like I said, all the land that they inherited of over 1,000 square meter. The next one will be up here, slope, different style, sloping to the river. Okay, na beam tanan ma'am oh. So it's very strong. It's all got beams. So this is a different style house. It's all gonna be concrete than the little house. But you can see it's properly done with beams, rebars. The rebars, the column is 12 mm and the stair up is 10 mm. So that's the proper way, and look how close it is. The beams are tied through the columns before it's done, and they don't cut, they pour it by, not cut by cut, they pour it by straight line.